Keep the cables up high. Go ahead and grab one at a time. You're going to stand in the middle of the machine, but you're going to take one step forward, one leg at a time. So take one leg forward, now the other one. Bend your knees, hip, knee, ankles lined up. Bend forward, okay? Bring your arms to the center, shoulders back and down, elbows slightly bent. Come out to an 180-degree angle. So right there. You don't want to go past the 180-degree angle. Breathe in on the way back, blow out on the way forward. Squeeze that chest, shoulders back and down. Abs are tight. She's not swaying back and forth. The wrists aren't moving. Look at where her hands are also. Lined up with the center of her chest. And throughout the set, she's not moving it up and down. Her head is straight. She's looking straight, slightly downward. So her back is all strong and in alignment.